Hey traders, want to know if your trading strategy actually works before risking real money? In this video, I'll show you how to backtest any trading strategy using MetaTrader's built-in strategy tester. It's one of the most powerful tools in the platform, and I'll walk you through everything, step by step. First off, what is backtesting, and why should you care? Backtesting is the process of testing and trading strategy on historical data. This way you can see how your strategy would have performed in the past, so you can improve it before using it live. There are two ways to backtest in MetaTrader. You can do it manually or automatically using expert advisors, also known as EOs. Today we're focusing on the automatic method using EOs. Let's dive in. First, open the strategy tester. To do that, go to the View menu and click Strategy Tester or press Ctrl+, or a panel will open at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Let's walk through the setup. First, select an expert advisor. Choose the EA you want to test. You can use a built-in one or a custom one you've downloaded. Next, select the symbol you want to test on. For example, EURUSD. Then choose the model. This determines how detailed the data is used for back. If you choose every tick, the data will be the most accurate, but will be slower to process. If you choose open prices only, the data will be faster but less precise. You can also choose a specific range of dates to test. For example, the last 1 to 2 years. Next, set the spread. You can choose the current spread from your broker or set a fixed spread. This can help make your backtest results more consistent, especially if you're testing over a long period. If you want to see the trades play out on a live chart while the backtest is running, check. Use visualization. This option is great for learning and understanding how the strategy works. But keep in mind it will slow down the backtest and make it harder to analyze. Once you're done with these settings, click OK. Next, let's set the EA inputs. Click the Expert Properties button. Under the Inputs tab, you can change the strategy's parameters. For example, lot size, stop loss, and take profit levels, moving average periods, ETSC. These are all the inputs that are used by the EA to generate signals. Make sure to read the descriptions to understand how each input affects the strategy. Next, in the Testing tab, set your initial deposit, leverage, and currency. For example, 1,000 is your initial deposit, which is typical for most retail traders, and you're good to go. Now, click Start. If you check the visualization, you'll see the trades happening on the chart. Otherwise, the test will run in the background and give you results quickly. This might take some time depending on the length of your back. Once it's finished, go to the Results, Graph and Report tabs. The Results tab gives details about each trade, including the open and close price, profit or loss, and more. The Graph tab shows you the equity curve of the strategy's performance over time. The Report tab is where you'll find the most important stats about the back. Here you'll see the total net profit, drawdown, win rate, and profit factor. The number of trades is also important. All of these stats will help you decide whether the strategy is worth using or needs improvement. But wait, there's more. MetaTrader Strategy Tester also lets you optimize your strategy using the Optimization tab. This is where you can test different combinations of inputs to find the most profitable setup. For example, you can test different stop-loss levels or moving average periods. But don't overfit your strategy. Optimization should improve your strategy, not curve fit it to past data. That's how you backtest a strategy in MetaTrader like a pro. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more MetaTrader tips, and let me know in the comments what strategy or EA you'd like me to test next. Happy testing and trade smart.